Peel and chop, mastering kitchen verbs. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the kitchen. Not to cook, but to learn. We're going to explore the meaning of the phrases peel and chop. These are common verbs you'll encounter in many recipes or when talking about preparing food. So, let's get our kitchen vocabulary sharpened up. When we say peel, we're talking about removing the outer skin or covering of fruits, vegetables, or certain animals like shrimp. It's a preparation step before we eat or cook with them. For example, you peel bananas, potatoes, and apples. Peeling can be done with various tools like knives, peelers, or even your hands, depending on the item. Moving on to chop. To chop is to cut something into pieces with a knife or other sharp tools. Chopping can be coarse, fine, or somewhere in between, often depending on the recipe's needs. Whether you're chopping onions, slicing tomatoes, or mincing garlic, it's all about breaking food down into smaller, more manageable bits for cooking. In this section, we'll walk through the basic steps to peel and chop a potato, a common ingredient in many dishes worldwide. 1. Start by washing the potato thoroughly. 2. Hold the peeler or knife comfortably and remove the skin, starting from the top and moving downwards. 3. Once peeled, rinse the potato again. 4. Place it on a cutting board and, with a sharp knife, cut the potato into slices, dices, or any shape required by your recipe. Remember, safety first. Keep your fingers away from the blade as you peel and chop. And there we have it, folks. You've just learned how to peel and chop, two fundamental skills in the kitchen. I hope this video makes your cooking prep a bit easier. Keep practicing, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy cooking and happy learning!